South Africa is alive with possibilities. You can go from being a teacher to winning idols to then being Rosemary and Nandipha Makutumani's colleague in the navy blue uniform. Noma, I voted for you on Idols. Nyemalami ukera. Nyenza isilabha seka enjimtsecha. Do you know the struggle of doing maths literacy in sentences instead of calculations? But I still voted for you. Nyemalami attack shop. Now you are an alleged life taker. Oh, my sister. Yan amukela kwinkqubo yami bomntu abakadadi bomntu abakagogo bomntu abaka-aunty bomntu abakasisi. I am Serms and it's at right Serms on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Black Friday discounts. I've got you covered. Nsware Kamukhala Didi Bode. There's this one figure that I will not rest until I get. Yeah. My colleague here on YouTube, Ukagiso, is inviting you to subscribe to her channel because she is vlogging, she does lifestyle, and she does fitness, and give those results on my body. So if I subscribe to you and watch all of your videos, will I get that figure? Because get Turkey, I only eat Turkey. I don't want to go to Turkey, but I want to look like you. What must can to happen? Please let's go over there and subscribe to her. Do I go to Turkey?
Hi management, it's your girl Kagiso Tlatsana, and I hope everybody is doing as well as I am doing. Thank you so much to 100+ subscribers from management that actually ran to my channel for the last time to go and subscribe to my channel and get me closer to 2,000 subscribers. I am very, very appreciative of that. On that note, because we are not yet at 2,000 subscribers, I am here to ask you guys nicely to actually run onto that channel, click the link down below and subscribe to my channel. If you really love all things fitness, if you love seeing how students balance their day-to-day life and lifestyle in general, then my channel is actually the best channel to be on. Until then, I'll see you guys. Bye.
Hi Nina. Do you remember Unoma Kumalo, the beloved Idols winner who was a beautiful teacher? Her ex-fiance says that Unoma tried to remove him from earth. And not like the Monopoly, like in real life. She was doing the John Wick on him. Baba Yaga. According to the daily newspaper, Ubab Ntando said that he fell in love with Unoma last year, and Noma had a very difficult living situation. Therefore, she asked to move in with him because she was not financially stable. And he took her in, and Bachola Nanti to the point where, how, the ring and stuff. Okay, sharp. In that mjolo, it became too much to us. Then he alleged that Unoma hired people to remove him from earth, right? But then I'm like, with what money? Because you said that financially it was taking on her path. But no, I'm not getting piggies because, wow, your life, there was an attempt on it, and you are alive to tell the tale. That is big, very huge, you know? People were following him allegedly for like 2 weeks. And then on the day that the removal was supposed to happen, the hitmen, they said, mm-mm, mm-mm. Instead, the hitman went and told Untando Oguti, you are slipping with not Anaconda Part 1, but Anaconda Part 2, the hunt for blood. Yes, the person you're sleeping next to is worse than ETB Emmanuel. She is trying to Rosemary Ndlovu you. She wants to see Nandipha Makutumana in person, under the cells, under the jail. And I was like, never! I'm going to the police station. Why you fully case? When he got to the police station, you think they took him seriously? No. Bati, biggie biggie, heavy heavy, jiggy jiggy. Open the case. But no one is getting arrested. They didn't take him seriously. Yes, he's got 4 cases open. All he has is a case number. No investigations, no court dates, nothing. Go tough la in South Africa. No justice, no peace la in South Africa. Oh no, ma. I did not know that I was going to speak about you as a prime suspect. Oh, so you're a singer. You are a mculi. You are a teacher, ABCD, Enjimuteka. But now, you are in the same sentences as Nandipa, Wakatawa, Nala. Watch your steps. Watch yourself. Siswami. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. You wanted to do aluhlanga lungehlanga. Cebo lethu. Noma wrong. Noma. Nashem. Yenina. Another, no, this is a metaphorical funeral. We are mourning. Sovo and Gorgeous Mbali have deleted each other's pictures on each other's social media. Unfortunately for them, they will always be connected forever and ever. Yeah, why? Their DNA is in the same body. So they can try to delete each other, but they have a collaboration that will live on, not on Spotify, not on YouTube Music, but in real life. Yeah, utatako, Nimroto, Wena, you are the father, yo, Mori, he's the father, he's the father of Gorgeous Mbali's child. So the relationship may end, but Bona, Uya chole next door, they are like this forever. Guys, this is why, a child is more hectic and more serious than a marriage. In marriage, you can go to Home Affairs. Bacime. Do you not know Kifipu, Lord of the Rings? Uyashata, uyatilita, uyashata, uyatilita, uyashata, uyatilita. Umshato. It's serious, but you can still go to date my female. Have you not seen men that are married? The most single people on earth. What does that tell you about marriage? I'm married, but it's not serious. I have a stranger that is a roommate, and we are related to the same people that we brought to earth together. But having a child with someone, oh, undeletable evidence. You understand? They are there. And they sometimes become a photocopy of your enemy. Gwata, Luna. Yeah. One thing about DJ Zinhle, guys, we need to give her props. She will capitalize on her trending. She is asking for all businesses to come promote their businesses on her Instagram and tag her. Because why? Everyone is watching her right now. All the eyes on me. So she's like, if you have a business, come to me. Ke tlo go promoter. If you've got anything happening right now, come to me. Ke tlo go promoter. Just tag me, because everyone and their cousin is looking at me, is looking at how I'm going to navigate this. Because guys, listen, this is the second time she is being publicly humiliated by a man. Okay, and she is such a lover girl, admitted by her own mouth. I am such a lover girl. You remember when AKA dribbled her with Obonang, and Bonang was like, I'm going to sue you, and then it was like, Njani, when it's the truth, you are in the crooked places with the father of Kai Kai. And what did that happen? It turned out to be true. Now she elevated Ubongs. No, guys, let's be for real. She elevated Umurda Bongs. Umurda Bongs went to Turkey and started biting in a straight line. And then now he thinks he can 15 up, 13 up, mahalang up. When I made the Bongs, let me not even, you know what? Because Uzintle is very sensitive when we talk about her husband. So we can't even say the things that way. But in my mind, I'm teleporting you everything that I want to tell you. You see how Dineo Ranaka tears down people of Chitoria? But yeah, guys, let us talk in the comment section down below. I will see you on the next one. And it's nigga. No, ma. When?